Please don't get it all confused. The Minister for Election, responsible for elections, does not run the Electoral Commission, nor does he run the Fijian Elections Office, nor does being Minister for Responsible mean that we conduct the elections. It's essentially to do with the laws. That's what it is. So I think there's a confusion. You'll be confusing your readers or your listeners or your viewers, whichever media organization you represent. But the writ of elections, obviously, the election date is a prerogative of the Honourable Prime Minister. So he, as you know, as previously done, he will choose a date. He will then visit His Excellency the President, who then issues the writ. The day the writ is issued, including that day, on the 45th day the election is held. That's how it works. It's quite clear. If you go to the Fijian Elections page or the app they have, you'll see it all set out. The writ is issued tomorrow, what day the election will fall, when are the nominations, when do the nominations close, when is pre-polling, all of that is set out. It's very clear. The information is available, so you can go and read that. But as you know also, we've always said that the election should be held on a Wednesday, so you can do your calculations. So obviously if the writ is going to be issued tomorrow, then the election will be held on a Saturday, which is from memory, the 9th of July, I think. But that does not fit in. So as a policy, we've said it should be held on a Wednesday because it's a paid public holiday. We like everybody to go and vote. It's not on a Wednesday because if you have a paid public holiday on a Tuesday, some people may take Monday off and have a long weekend and go somewhere else. If you have an election on a Monday, people may still go off somewhere else. Or if you have a election on a Thursday, they may take Friday off. So that's why it's done in the middle of the week to get as many people as possible to go and vote. It takes only 15 minutes or so to do so. And there are a number of polling stations available. But the election date is the prerogative of the Honourable Prime Minister.